Um, okay. Hi everyone, my name is Tess. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on here to give an update for Sunday, May 20th, 2018. As you see in the pic before this clip, I'm down 1.4 for the week, making a total of 120 pounds down and 40 pounds more to go. I finally hit my 120 pounds. This has been one of my biggest goals to hit, and it just seemed like it was inching there and inching there. My next goal is 126 pounds because then that will put me under 200. Um, so basically, a little over 5 pounds more, and I will be at that goal. So the reason why I say with 40 pounds more to go, I don't know if I completely explained this or not. I have a lot of loose skin, and when you factor that into, if they were to remove the skin, it would be probably about 15 to 20 pounds of loose skin. So when I say I want to get to 165, I'm factoring in that of the loose skin on there, because 15 to 20 pounds of loose skin is going to really put me down under that. So I'm going to wait until I get to where my goal weight is, and then I'm going to have my doctor to figure out what my loose skin weight is, and then work from there if I need to lose any more. To me, it was so much easier just to set a goal and to try to reach that goal before I determined whether I wanted to go any lower than that. Chances are I'm not going to go any lower than that. So I just want to get the 40 pounds done and then start maintaining my weight, which will be even exactly the same as I do right now. So I might be able to increase the calories a little bit more, but I don't know, we'll see. I know I'm not going to need to lose any more weight from that point on. So, I mean, in my opinion, that's my goal. I am going for what I want, not for what doctors say I should be or what other people think I should be, but for what I want to be. I do not have no what I ate in a day video. I did try it 2 times, and my video camera on the tablet messed up again. My cell phone does not have, not even as good as a camera as what my tablet does, but even still, it's not even good enough to do it. So I will have to work on that, because I would like to get at least a couple videos out a week. However, my meals really stay the same. I eat eggs, toast, and sausage for one meal, tilapia, potato, and salad for one meal. 2 days out of the week, which is Friday and Saturday, I will not eat the potato with my tilapia. I just eat the tilapia in a salad, and then my snacks are generally around the same. I mean, I have changed what my snacks are off and on. So right now I started eating the ideal that Weight Loss with Carrie, no, Weight Watchers with Carrie. She eats the Greek yogurt, which I'm not wild. I'm not even wild about yogurt, period. But even Greek yogurt, I'm not. But I'm going to try giving it a try. I'm going to try get some and fix it up with a few other recipes that I've learned about. Doctoring them up is about the only way I can eat yogurt, and so I've been using the fat-free plain yogurt with some PB2 and some sugar-free cheesecake pudding. I think that's what it's called. I really like that. That's pretty good. I don't mind that. When it's doctored up, I don't mind the yogurt, but But other than that, everything stays pretty well the same. My snacks is either a serving of the reduced fat wheat crackers or it's a fruit. So they stay the same. The only times it's different is when I switch out the carb and not have a carb for a meal, and I do that, like I said, on Fridays and Saturdays. And then my Sunday, I have whatever I want to have that day. I've been doing this for a while now, and have no issues at all with my weight loss. Yeah, my weight loss is slower, but well, hello. Did you want to say hi? Do you have to look in here in the camera over here? Can you come here? Stand up here. Come on, up. You guys stand up. Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you. My weight loss is slow, and for years I tried to do it fast weight loss, and I fell. I mean, I did good for my very first year that I started losing weight in 2009, and then in 2010, the middle of 2010, I tried to find faster ways to lose weight, and I wasted about 5 to 6 years just trying to do that. So now, slow and easy is going to win the race for me. So I did go out on Wednesday to see the movies, Avengers, and afterwards my husband and I went to Wendy's for our meal, and I got a Wendy's Junior Deluxe and a large order of fries and a diet drink. I took my fries and I divided it in half and gave half to my husband, and then I ate half of what I had left. I didn't even totally eat all of my hamburger. I mean, I ate all the hamburger, but I left some of the buns. I really surprised myself. I amazed myself that I was at that point that I could do that. And as far as the drink, I wanted to get a Frosty, but I had to make that choice. Do I want to have a Sunday off again this week? And I did, so I chose not to do the Frosty and just to do a diet drink. And yes, I do drink Diet Pop. I don't care if people say that there's bad things in it for you. There's bad things in everything that we eat and do, and so this is by far my favorite. I don't know if you can see that because of the lighting, but it's the Diet Cherry 7-Up. And I did get a Sprite Zero Orange from Wendy's that was, oh my god, it was the best tasting orange Diet Pop I've ever had. I wish they'd bottle that up. I have not seen that anywhere around here, so I don't even know if they have that in bottles or not, or cans. Okay, guys, I guess that's about it. I wanted to get this wrapped up. I will try to get another video up during the week. I'm not really sure what it'll be because I'm not able to do the pictures and the videos, and sometimes I can't. Right now I'm using my laptop, and it's not easy to do what I'm eating on a laptop video. I don't know. I will look and see what else I can do. I would rather wait until I change my foods that I'm eating to do it, to those videos, but I may have to invest in using my husband's cell phone in order to do the pictures of what I eat, or a video. His camera is really good, so I could probably do a what I eat in a day video. So, okay, well, it's already at 10 minutes. I need to get this done before my son gets home from church, and I guess that's it. I just want to say that for everybody that's out there that is on a weight loss journey, you're going to have times that your week didn't go good. Just stick with it. Just get back on track. Stick with it. Because if you don't, then that just sets you back more. I know that for me, if I get off track, like on my Sundays, if there's something I want, I have it. And if I get back on track right away on Monday, then I'm good. I have to get right back on track. But if I don't, then chances are then I'm off on Sunday, on Monday, and sometimes on Tuesday. And it takes until sometimes it's even taken me up to Wednesday to get back on track. So um, it's so important that if you want that day to not count points or not count calories or not portion control, not worry about what you're eating, just to be able to enjoy the day, do that, but get right back on track the next day. Because if you don't, then chances are the next day after that it's going to be hard to get back on track. Getting back on track a day after is so much easier than 2 days after. I have found that out, just an experience for myself from what I've had to do these past years that I've been trying to diet. And I'm not even looking at this anymore as a diet, because the way I eat now is the way I'm going to always be eating for the rest of my life. It's so important to make sure that, well, especially when you get down to where you've lost at least 120 pounds, to get your exercises in there. And I do that at least 4 times a week. But I also do that on my Sunday too. If I am going to take that day to indulge, I'm going to take that day to also get in my calories burned on an elliptical, or for walking, or whatever. I can burn a lot more on elliptical than I can on walking, so that's generally what I do. I guess that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, just please leave them in the comment. I really appreciate all your support out there. Like I have said before, if you do sub to me, please leave a comment that you've subbed to me, and I will sub back and follow your journey with you. Sometimes I don't get notifications if a person subs, so I don't know who has subbed if I get new subbies. So just please, if you could, just leave a comment saying that you subbed, and I will sub back to you. We're all on this journey to lose weight, regardless what method that we're using. I follow a lot of people on different weight loss methods that they use. I will follow someone doing low carb, or Weight Watchers, or calorie count, portion control, no matter what way it is. We're on this journey together to support one another. So it doesn't matter to me what weight loss method you're on. If you're on a weight loss journey, just let me know and I will follow you. You guys have a great week next week, and I will talk to you next Sunday. Bye. Oh, give me lovin's. Oh, give me lovin's. Can you look over there? Who is this? What's that? There's a Priscilla in there. Look at the doggy. See the doggy? Can you give me a kiss? Give me a kiss and I'll let you down. Thank you.